Right, hi guys, this is Mike Hamilton. I hope you had a quick look at the very short free video yesterday. I talked about how this Dow was coming into this support. So although it was a reasonable, decent selling day, I wasn't put off by that. I still think this Dow has got a chance to leg up here. We've got GDP on Friday, we're expecting a good figure, so we could potentially see 18.5 here into the Friday. However, if we stumble into this resistance here at 18.3, I will look to get short. I want to get short as high as possible, so that's if it stumbles at that level, then I would start to short this. Okay, stocks. Well, let's get Forex out of the way first. I think, again, that's a higher close. Bear in mind I'm doing this 2 hours 45 before the Dow closes, so you need to just check on what the charts look like. So just bear that in mind when you're looking at your charts here and picking these numbers. This looks as if you close up here at 985 plus. This could run. This could easy run. So tomorrow I'll look at the open level, see if 950 is holding, and potentially hold that. We've got UK GDP tomorrow. A good number could see this start to crank its way up to this 127 extension. We are very high, a high RSI, but this is a very bullish looking 21 EMA just creeping underneath it, so I will look to see if that one can hold. Other charts of note, yeah, this Euro Yen is really good. This is a similar sort of story. We have a quite a firewall up there, but every time we touch this 200 EMA, it gets weaker. So that's a nice looking chart. Let's see if we can retest yesterday's highs at 450 for push up to the top there. Which would I prefer? Well, given that it's UK GDP, I would definitely look at the pound yen. Quick look at the other ones. Coming into 55 EMA there, so that could turn around here at this point. That's well worth looking at. Potential for a bigger move if the figure's really good. It could just slip underneath, slip down to the 300 mark or underneath the 300 mark and see that push up. Euro US, hammer like bar. It's a consolidation, so I would stick to the pound pairs personally, obviously because of the data. DAX, that's looking as if that's going to engulf yesterday's bar, so a pullback around about the 700, 720 mark may see that push into 12,000. Anything else? Oil is flat. Wait until we get invents out of the way and see where invents leaves us. Gold, it's taken position in gold today and still sitting in it, but I'm flat. Again, that's a massive amount of support underneath it. You can see why I've taken it. So I will give that at least another day to see if that can hold itself up. Stocks. I do like this AA. Have a look at the quick 2-minute free video, but I think 407 is a buy on that one, and if it can really crank up, the 127 extension's up there at 450. Looking around, it's not the time of year to get really stuck into stocks, but Facebook here in the US, this is a big bar here. and all we're doing at the moment is sitting inside it. So just keep an eye out for this one, because if this breaks, I think Facebook is a good stock. If I'm going to advertise, I'll be advertising on Facebook, not YouTube, not Google. I'll be advertising on Facebook. So I think I do tend to stick to stocks that I like and understand. So I think that is, particularly about the big 80. The fact we've come under the big 80 and held, I think is in its favour. And we could potentially easily see a retest of 85. Okay, so that's all I've got for you. I hope that helps, and look forward to seeing you in the room tomorrow. I'll be marking off the open ranges, particularly on the pound pairs, and then seeing what we can do with those and trying to maximise our potential. Hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, see you in the trading room. Thanks for listening.